Hey, what's up, guys? Zach Calhoun here from CloudPano.com. I hope you're doing well. If you want to increase your income this year, if you want to start a virtual tour business, if you're a photographer, a marketer, a drone provider, I have a special business model I want to share with you today that can increase your subscription revenue. Subscriptions are so important because they create predictability in your business. They create a certainty of income, and they also increase the equitable value of your business. So how do you charge subscriptions? What do you do? How do we make this simple and easy for us in our business? Well, I'll give you a quick tip, a couple today that I want you to try out, and it's going to blow you away how easy this actually could be. So on CloudPano, I have this example here. This is a Lamborghini tour of one of our users. We have over 4,400 plus users in our virtual tour profit community that are helping each other every day and doing awesome in their business. And I love you guys. This example is what I call CloudPano Live. So when you click a CloudPano Live call, what it does is it brings up a audio call, an audio video call that you can have with your clients, or your clients' clients can have with their customers right inside of a 360 virtual environment. You can pass back and forth control, share screen. You can even chat inside just like you would in any kind of video call or sales environment. But what makes this unique is that you're inside a 360 virtual tour. You can pass back and forth control. You can set these up for clients and they could sell stuff inside a 360 VR or virtual tour environment. And because they can do that and it aligns with their sales goals, you can charge a subscription to maintain this for them. It's an easy way to justify recurring value. All you need for a subscription is recurring value and a reason that attaches to the ROI. People, business owners, institutions who get ROI, who can understand it and justify it, will pay you a subscription. If you're a photographer, a drone provider, a entrepreneur who wants to increase their subscription revenue, this is a very easy way to do that. Is it easy to sell something? No, it always takes work. Any business takes work. But if you already have a customer and you have a meeting and you have a large contract with someone and you want to plug in a subscription, use CloudPano Live. You might as well. It's one click and they're inside the call. You just turn on the switch. And if you haven't sold before, no problem. Go to app.cloudpano.com, log into our application, use some of the demo tours to go pre-sell, white label your virtual tour, and before you know it, you're going to have a portfolio of subscription clients coming to you. We have a BTPS member doing this. His name's Tanner. He only charges subscriptions. He's running around Ohio photographing all these really cool event spaces, and he gets all of these subscriptions quickly and easily, and he sometimes will even waive the setup fee for 3 referrals. So he's doing these types of strategies, and you can too. Our community is powerfully wicked smart. These guys are so smart. They make creative, really cool things all the time, and they're utilizing the training tech that is cloudpano.com. So do me a favor, click below this video, check out the webinar of some business models and some value ladders you can create within your business. If you have any photography experience, 360 photography experience, or if you're just an entrepreneur who understands training tech when you see it, you're going to want to grab this webinar, sit down, watch it, and take notes and learn and go sell it as a service, because this trend is hot now. And for the next 2-3 years, it'll be hot. We don't know how long it's going to last, but the ones who move fast, who are early, are the ones who profit the most. So thanks so much for joining this video. Click below, watch the webinar below. I'll see you there. It's going to be a lot of fun. Talk soon. For an upcoming webinar, when you click the link, you'll be taken to a page just like this. Click the big green button that says, yes, reserve my seat now. We'll check some availability for an upcoming webinar slot. Pick a time and date that works best for you and click register now. I will see you at the webinar. Thank you.